What's cool about this noodle is you can see where they hung it to dry. It has that beautiful bend in it, and that's as authentic as it gets. So we have the bucatini. It looks like a spaghetti, but it's hollow. And when you've got a good sauce, you want a pasta like this. This is our marinara. So fresh whole peeled tomatoes, fresh garlic, fresh onion, fresh basil, extra virgin olive oil, super fresh and beautiful. I'm gonna show you how you can make a really special meal out of our jars of sauce. So you're gonna salt your water like the sea. Let that go, and I'm gonna begin my sauce. I'm gonna go the whole jar. So the tomatoes that we're using, same tomato for our pizza. It's the Bianco di Napoli, whole peeled tomato, San Marzano style, organically grown. It tastes incredible. My favorite meal I've ever had, it was at Bucatini, and it had beautiful olives from the region with the red sauce. So while we're letting that cook, I'm gonna throw a beautiful, simple salad together. Lots of extra virgin olive oil. Our aged balsamic, I'm gonna shave a little Parmesan on top. When you strain a pasta, do not strain all the water out. Still got a little water in there. There we go. So now my favorite part, add a lot of butter. Okay, garnish. Always add olive oil. This is a Sicilian dried oregano, and that's it. Trey, come in to taste this. Okay, so this is Trey. He does like all of the restaurant video, photography for everything. This is how you do it. It tastes exactly like my favorite pasta in Santa Margherita. It's really good.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.